Over here working on the Farmall Super A, the 51. Getting ready to put the distributor in there. Brought it up top dead center on the compression stroke. I don't know if you can see this little notch right here that my finger's in. That's top dead center mark. And it just goes up with this uh, little cross brace right there. Just lines up with that where my finger is. There's like a little ridge there and here. There's a little mark in the center of that thing. Anyway, you know it's a top dead center because I done checked it with a damn screwdriver a couple of times. So bring it up to top dead center on the compression stroke. And then we can stick the distributor in there. I just sat it in there to see where it was at, but I'm going to have to move it now to where its rotor button's pointing towards number one. And then we'll adjust it from there. I'll static time it in on points are just starting to open, and then lock it down, and then we'll strobe it later on once we get it running or dynamic test it. But that's it for now. Let me get the rest of this stuff lined up here. Just now it's starting to rain. Got my new gasket I caught on there. That's 4. That there's number 1 right there. Which is this one right here. So I want a rotor button point right over here. This one be number 1. That'd be number 1 right there. And the rotor button's pointing right at it. Now make sure when you put it in there that you put a little dust cover back on. And I'm going to go ahead and bolt the hold downs on here. See if we can see inside this gas tank here. Probably not. I don't have my other light, so let me see if I can go find his light. Shit, I can't really tell. Doesn't really look horrible in there, but I'll figure out how to get some light on this thing.